Okay, today on the CNC machine we're going to make 3 different colored signs for trail markers on a ski slope. I've got a blue, a green, and a black. Each sign has been mortised on the bottom with a 1/2 inch mortise to accept a stake for the trail marker. These trail markers are actually not going to get used on a ski slope. They're for centerpieces of a large party for the tables. The theme for the party is skiing. We're going to set them up in the machine and we're going to carve the sign on both sides. I'm going to start with the black, and to keep things simple so I can change them quickly, I've set up a jig with 2 tapered shims to hold them in nice and tight, and we're ready to go. I'm going to start it up and show you how it runs. There you have it. 1 down, 19 more to go. This is the symbol for the black trail. It's a diamond difficulty trail. Okay, here we go with a blue sign. I finished all the black ones. There you have it, the trail marker for the square trails. This run is called Black Bear. Okay, here's the finished product. I'll pan across. Here's the blue signs with the square trail markers. And down here, got the black and all the green ones. 20 signs, carved both sides. Gonna make a lovely party.